Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations. I'm in this gorgeous property about to choose some paint colours for the gym slash Pilates slash wellness room. Now, when it comes to choosing your paint colour, it is so important to test it out. You don't want to have painted a whole wall and realise it's not the right colour. And a great way to test it are using these Dulux Colour Stickers. They come in an A4 size, they'll send them out to you. And they're stickers that you can put on your wall, peel them off and reuse them around the house, because it's so important that you look at your paint swatches at different times of day and in different lights. So I've stuck these up here. It is so great to see them in contrast to the white wall. It really shows you how different they are to white. So I can tell you what I'm already loving. It's this one here, which is Hog Bristle. It just seems to have the right tones that we're going to want. This one, Clay Pipe Half, is maybe a little bit too pinky. And this Hog Bristle Quarter is maybe just a little too light. So I think this one's great. And like I said, you can peel them off and re-stick them anywhere else in the house. So test your colour throughout the day, as the appearance of it may change in different light. Clean down the surface with a household spray and cloth. Once it's dry, just peel back the sticker and stick it on the wall. They're easy to remove, 100% colour accurate, and available in 80 popular and trending colours. I'm in the finished space. I love how this wall has turned out, and you can see what a perfect match the colour sticker is to the end result. If you want to do this in your home, head online to Dulux today and order your colour stickers.